Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a very chilly evening in Los Angeles. The rain has stopped temporarily, but it's coming back, so we're shooting tonight while we can. It's actually just starting up again right now. But that's okay. I'm grateful to be here and have a place to paint, and excited about what we're going to do. So I was thinking about what I wanted to do tonight and looking at various drips and leftovers and tubs full of paint. And I had an idea that I kind of want to play with, so that's what we're going to do, and I will explain as we go. This is a 24 by 30. I have taped and pinned the back. I actually have not painted the sides and edges because I forgot, but it'll be all right. So the concept of what we're going to do, we're going to take this tub of drips that I have. This is paint scraped off my table after a pour. This is several different pours. It's kind of a peachy color. It's very pretty. It would be beautiful by itself, but I also have this tub here from one of our last pours where we used that burnt sienna and the orange, and there's a lot of different colors in here. There's some of the pearls on top, and it's pretty. So we're going to take some of this. We're going to splash it right in here, HOA.
All
right. Just like that. And then we're going to take the canvas. This is kind of mad scientisty. I don't know exactly how this is going to work, but I intend to have some fun with this. So, and we might pour more of that in here after we get rid of some of this. So I'm going to take this stick out. Okay. We're going to start in the middle, HOA. You ready?
Yeah.
Like right here. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yeah, I'm ready as I'll ever be.
Stay wide. Here we go. Okay, so now we've got more of that plain color. So I'm going to take more of this and just gently pour it in through there like ribbon. Okay, and now we're going to pour this out. Okay. Well, that's kind of cool. I think I want to pour a little bit more of this out too. Well, no, maybe not. Okay, so we're going to stop there with that. I do have white, and I have four other colors. I have that very pretty metallic blue from Liquitex. These are leftovers. I have some bronze and some turquoise blue, also from Liquitex, and I have some white. So my plan is to tilt this out and then either ribbon pour or splatter those colors throughout it and see what happens. So I said mad scientist. Let's tilt this out and see what we get. That's kind of cool. What do you think, HOA?
Looks like a pretty good starting place.
Okay. So I don't think we're going to need the bronze. Maybe just a tiny bit, but not very much. Oh, let's see. Let's put that back. Okay. I like what's happening here. It's giving me like canyon, like that red rock in Arizona.
Sedona?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna take this and just dribble some off my stick through this area here, following the natural line, and see what it looks like, because then if I don't like it, I could probably tilt it off. So, let's try. Ready, honey? Okay, that's not bad. I'm gonna go through with some of this too. The metallic blue. A little white through there also.
Do you have any of the yellow pearl on there?
Well, there's probably some in the base coat color.
Some hidden metallic. Goldie.
I think what I do really like that part though. I was gonna say I'm gonna do more ribbons like that and then we're gonna tilt some more. But I don't know that there's that much paint on here that'll... Let me see. Okay. A little bit in through here. What is that? I'm just going to do a really thin line through there to tie it all in. Okay. What do you think, HOA? I kind of like it like that, but my original plan was to tilt the heck out of it now.
I was originally going to suggest a golf ball, but...
I don't want to do the golf ball. I like it like this, though.
Yeah.
Do you think that corner is a little too
Nope.
plain?
No, I think it's balanced.
Think so? Do you think I should extend the blue a little bit? I think I could have this just be a tributary here.
I like it the way it is, but I think some good things could come from that if you wanted to.
I just want to see what happens if
The lines are going to get wider.
Yeah, I know. It's not moving very much at all. That's moving.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. I know July is gone. You make me feel like
Okay. I think I want to stop there. What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
Is it done, you think?
Yeah. I think it's awesome. That's really cool.
Okay, I'm pretty happy with this, how it is. There's just one last thing that I want to do. I'm going to take a palette knife. I'm going to take my palette knife and just run the edge of it through to make a little bit more depth and break up some of those lines. Like, I think that's really pretty now.
maybe this is the season of love.
Okay. That's cool.
The world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die. You and I.
I like that better. Okay.
That was really cool.
Yeah, that works good. All right, awesome. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this little mad scientist moment and, you know, little attempts to get creative with some of our leftovers and some of our drips. And I think this actually turned out really cool. So I'll show you when it's dry. We'll be right back.
As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
Okay, so it's actually not raining. We've got this like Simpsons sky, maybe today and tomorrow, but it's going to start after that again. So I'm appreciating the beautiful blue sky and the lovely clouds while we have them. I wanted to show you the painting from last week, the By the Fire one, in the sun, because this is very, very blingy. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There we go. Super bling city over here. Very, very pretty. Beautiful colors, beautiful details. This one is very subtle, even though it's very blingy. So, came out pretty cool. I would have preferred more contrast in there, personally, but I do like what happened, and I still think it could be a very cool background for something. So, the one from today is not quite dry, but I'm going to go try to put it on the easel anyway. So, we'll be right back. Okay, so here's the one we did today that's not completely dry. You can see right there in the middle it's still a little bit wet. But I will say, I really like how this one came out. I love those more colorful bronzy parts. Beautiful stuff. And there's just sort of a very soft white on top of some parts of them. But that part is definitely giving me Canyon. The little ribbons that we added, I am very, very surprised at how blingy they are. That's the metallic blue, and I think that is the Amsterdam bronze that are blinging and blinging and blinging. That one looks like a parrot era. But very, very cool stuff. I really like using the palette knife through there. I think that comes out so pretty with just that softer line in through there. And I really like it where it like scooped kind of. Let me see if I can find an example of where I scooped it a little bit. I don't know. But it was really cool while I was watching the video to edit it. But I like how this one turned out. It was a lot of fun. And I think that's a great use for some of these drips, especially since I work with large canvases. I have a lot of drips sometimes, and finding ways to use them is awesome. So this was really fun. It's really, really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it gave you some ideas about using up some of your leftovers. And this was all leftover paint. I didn't mix a thing. So Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please do all that cool YouTube stuff and like and subscribe. And leave me a comment. And please, 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 if you can, share the videos because that helps so much. So we appreciate you guys a lot. And we'll see you guys on Sunday. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.